Dalton Harris.
Hi guys, welcome back to the Sauna Room where we keep you up to date about everything that's happening good for Jamaica and Jamaicans. Now we want to touch on Dalton Harris Digital Rising Star 2010 winner. He's now a member of the X Factor show and he's doing very well. And this is his second week and this is a part of his performance and we want to jump into that right now.
Passion inside, can't run from myself. There's nowhere to hide, but don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. I'ma stay till you there. I have nothing, nothing. Don't make me close one more door. I don't wanna hurt anymore. Stay in my arms if you're there. I'ma stay.
Okay, guys, please remember to follow him on Instagram. I'll list his Instagram below and vote if you can. Share with another Jamaican so they can vote. And please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, and share with a fellow Jamaican so they can get the information as well. Very proud of Dalton Harris of putting Jamaica on the map again, and big up on yourself.